Welcome back to another video of our plant growing series. Today we're gonna do it a little bit different than usual. I kind of want to just give you guys a little life update of just kind of what's been going on in the past 2 weeks. We've been very busy with just finding new niche, finding new ways to engage with you guys. And we have a lot of collaborations going on right now, which I'm so freaking thankful for, just because soon we will be opening up a new page on Instagram, and that will be our plant business. So stay tuned for that. We're almost at 40K followers on Instagram. I think we'll be at 10,000 followers on Facebook by the end of next week. And we're almost at 10,000 followers on TikTok. And I've seen that this page has been growing as well. We truly appreciate the engagement. Keep liking our videos and commenting what you guys want to see. I think in the next following week, we're going to go back to the Red Tiger Lotus. I know we had a couple requests about, what type of fertilizer do you use? What are the benefits of, iron, phosphate? And I will be ordering a couple bottles. I think it's time to get some new fresh fertilizer, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the 2-Hour Aquarius Apt E versus the 2-Hour Aquarius Apt 3. We got this beautiful Canva here. Look who it is, Reeboks. So this was gifted to us by this brand called Canva and Decker. The link will be in the description down below if you guys want to get your own personal Canva for your pet. Then here, don't mind the mess. It is a bit messy, but we are very thankful with Progressive Desk for sending us this beautiful desk here. And as content creator, it's very important that you're able to stand, sit, and with this desk, and it will elevate the desk. And most of the time I'm standing up just because it's good for my back, and I find myself a little bit more productive when I'm doing it that way. But it's pretty cool. And you can have different settings of like different heights. So it's really good as content creator, especially that we're always sitting. You should have seen my setup before. I think in a couple of videos you guys saw my setup, but truly thankful for everything they've given us. Great partners, and we're looking forward to working with them in the future. For just this update today, we're just going to talk over about how the water Sprite doing right now. And then there'll be another video uploaded, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, about an update for the Nubias that we've been growing at Tyler's place, which they are doing very nice. I've seen a couple pictures from his end. And yeah, we're gonna try moving forward, maybe growing some Bucephalandra as well. Bucephalandra are quite expensive. I have a hard time understanding that people are spending that type of money on Bucephalandra. Comment down below if you have Bucephalandra in your tank. But yeah, I have a hard time just wrapping my head around, like, who would pay $22 for such a small plant? They are really beautiful though, I will say. But personally, I like Anubias better. But again, everybody has different preferences, and everybody does aquascaping a little bit different, right? I want to say a lot of people also have been asking, how do I keep the tank so clean? That's all because of the potons in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, all these plants in the back over here is what's keeping my tank super clean. I will make a video of just how I get them up like this. And I think I need to do some cuttings just to increase the growth of them. But as you guys can see, it's climbing all the way up and going all the way down here. Okay, well, let's start with just giving an update with the water Sprite. So the water Sprite, I had to bring them back upstairs. They were downstairs in my basement before. And the reason why I did that was because my basement is pretty cold. Again, basement are usually typically colder. So what I had to do was I basically brought the bin back up. If you take a closer look here. Yeah, okay, beautiful. So yeah, you can see there's new growth. It's doing pretty well. I don't really spray it. What I do is I like to, there's just a little bit of water, so the leaves are touching the water. And then what I do is I add solution in the water, in the water. And that's a high concentrated solution. And we'll dive into that, that aspect of, that solution in the next couple videos. But I just wanted to give you guys a brief update with the water sprites. You can see it's kind of growing like upward, which is very lovely. That's what we want. And it's actually attaching to the mesh tray. So that's really, really good. You can see this one over here on the right side doing the same thing. And I use, once in a while, I'll spray it with the Mossify sprayer. So I'll just give it just a low breeze, just like this. And then that should be good enough. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I do. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.